muffin hunting. Muffins like to hide in the trees. We found them. Eli, go get it. We just need 2 more. What was that? I don't know, it must have fell from the tree. Good. Okay. It's 2. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 ways we can go. We're gonna go straight. Oh, that's a spider web. Shoot. Get it off. Oh, that's a lot of bugs. Oh my god. We're almost to the clearing. Need 1 more. Huh. We got 1 last one. Eli, get it. That's 3. We got 3. We can go back and cook. Okay, keep your eyes open for any more. If we get any more, then we can make more. We can have a feast tonight. Need these spiders off me though. Before we start, we've got to wash our hands. Welcome to Cooking with Chef Kade.
We had to change the name because Patrick's never coming back from China.
Pretty much.
Alright, so for today, we are going to be making chocolate chip muffins that we found in the woods. All that will be needed is a mix and then some milk.
We're going to take our mixing bowl and we're going to add our 3 packets of muffin mix. Now that we have our 3 packets of muffin mix added, we can start adding our milk. So for our milk, we are going to start with a 1/4 cup and keep mixing it until it is at the right consistency. So we are approaching the right consistency. We ended up adding about 3/4 cup of milk in order to make 18 muffins, or about 3 wild packs. Now that we're at the right consistency, the key is to add extra chocolate chips because they are very stingy on the chocolate chips. That's why this stuff is so cheap. Now that we have our chocolate chips, our extra chocolate chips, we can start adding them. You just add them until it looks right. I mean, they do come with chocolate chips in there, but not enough.
Is this good enough, folks?
Now that we have our muffin mix, we can go over to our muffin trays.
Alright, so before you add the dough to the pan, you want to make sure to spray it down really good so the muffins don't stick. Yeah, Alright, so now we're gonna preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
Now that our oven is preheated, we can just throw our muffins into the oven. And we'll set our timer for 15 minutes. And we'll check on them when they're done. Okay, now that our timer is done, we can check our muffins. And as you can see, they are almost done. A lot of them have a golden brown top. We are going to get our oven mitts out, and then we can take them out and let them rest. Now let's take our muffins out. The muffins are great. I recommend that you do this, except you might not be able to find the muffins as easily as we did because we are expert trained marksmen. But thanks for watching, and I hope you tune in to the next episode of Cooking with Chef Kade.
Me, 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 me. When I look you in the eyes at night, all I want to do is stop time. If you ever left me, I'd cry, because you're the only girl I want to be with. Baby girl, you're my whole world, my whole world. I'll put you on my mantle. If you ever said you're leaving me, I'd only have one thing to do, and baby girl, that's cry. 'Cause at night, when I look you in the eyes, all I want to do is stop time. Me, 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 me. When I look you in the eyes at night, all I want to do is stop time. If you ever left me, I'd cry, because you're the only girl I want to be with. Baby girl, you're my whole world, my whole world. I'll put you on my mantle. If you ever said you're leaving me, I'd only have one thing to do, and baby girl, that's cry. 'Cause at night, when I look you in the eyes, all I want to do is stop time.